Hello, my name is Chester, and in this video, we'll demonstrate how to use FastMap to bulk load data into OpenPages. Let's first begin by logging into OpenPages. Once logged in, let's go to a filter list view. In this example, we'll use test results. Let's also find a record that we can use as a template. Once you have the record or records you want to use as a starting point, let's click on the export icon. Then select all the appropriate fields and click on the export button. With the export now completed, let's go ahead and open it up. With the spreadsheet now open, you can now edit this existing record or use it as a template for making new records. Here, I'm simply copying the row into additional rows. If we scroll to the left, we can see the parent information. If we click on a name field, we can now edit the name of the new records that we want to import. Additionally, we can also edit the description field too. Here, I'm using the Excel feature to do an autofill. Let's go ahead and edit the description even more. If you want to make more changes, let's go ahead and update those fields. Otherwise, just review the values and update them as needed. Once you have reviewed all the fields, let's go ahead and save the spreadsheet. With the spreadsheet updated, let's go ahead and select FastMap Import from the reporting menu. Then let's click on Choose File, and then click on the spreadsheet. Once you have selected your spreadsheet, let's click on the Import Data button. Once the initial validation has completed, let's go ahead and click on Import Data. In this example, we didn't have a lot of data to import, so the import is now 100% complete. Let's go ahead and close the pop-up window. With FastMap completed, let's log back into OpenPages and review the test results. Here on the filter list view, you can see that the test results were imported, and it has all the values that we set.